You're right. Oh, my God. Unforgettable.
I know. Can you imagine? 7 years ago na pala yung tour natin sa Europe. And isn't it amazing how time flies?
I know, huh? We had so much fun, remember?
I know.
Grabe, remember, especially kami ni Minda. Yung scenic height namin dun sa...
Cinque Terre.
Cinque Terre, remember that?
Eh, di kayo na nakapag-hike sa Europa.
It was so much fun. Sobra. Whew.
Oh, let me help you with that, Betsy.
Eh, hindi na kaya ko na to. Hindi ko naman siguro kailangan makapunta pa ng Europa para matutong mag-crack ng alimasag.
Betsy, I think you should be open to learn. You know, your husband here, Robert, is one of the most intelligent men I've ever met. Siguro naman dapat kahit papaano pantayan mo yon, di ba? Like, explore. So you can at least sharpen your mind.
So ang sinasabi mo, mapuro lang utak ko?
Love. Love. Love, hindi yun ang ibig niyong sabihin. Hindi yun.
Buti na lang, kilala ako ni Robert. Right, Rob?
Of course.
Close kayo, no? Matagal na kayo magkakilala?
Oo, matagal na. Love, college days pa. Alam mo, komportable kami sa isa't isa. Ang lalim na ng nagsamahan namin. Alam mo ba, let me tell you, siya ang aking first girlfriend.
Mag-ex-jowa kayo?
Oh, that was a long time ago. Right, Robert?
Many.
Life is really strange. Can you imagine naging best friend ko pa si Minda? And naging ninang pa ako ni Gina.
I'm so happy that you're part of the family.
Oh, Rob, I feel the same way too. Cheers to our friendship.
Cheers! Let's do that. Cheers. Okay.
Oh my God.
Ano ba?
Sorry.
Nananadya ka ba?
Hindi, wala. Hindi niya Hindi. Aksidente lang lahat. Pasensya na. Siya sanay sa wine.
Wait, there's
naninibago siya sa
broken glass.
lasa ng wine.
Are you okay? I'm sorry. I really did not mean it. Nagulat lang kasi ako sa reaction mo. Parang you're not okay when you found out yung about our past, yung past namin ni Robert. But that was a long time ago.
Ano ka ba? Hindi naman issue sa akin yun, no? Alam nyo, magkwentuhan na lang muna kayo dito, ah. Magsi-CR lang ako. Hindi, kaya ko na. Maupo ka na dyan.
Robert,
Sana.
there's broken glass. Sorry.
Waiter. Malinis na lang natin.